Hello viewers, today we learn how to make bootable pen drive using Rufus software. Requirement. Number 1. Require a 8 GB minimum USB flash drive for Windows 10 or 11. Number 2. ISO which you want to make like Windows 11, 10 or Linux. Number 3. Rufus software you can also download from Google search Rufus. Open Rufus software. Insert pen drive. Choose pen drive. Select ISO file. Select partition scheme MBR or GPT. Write volume level name if you want but not necessary. Click Start. Windows User Experience pop-up show, click OK. Warning message show if you click OK pen drive data will be formatted. Click OK. Wait few minutes to pen your system. If complete successfully. Click Close. Your pen drive will be ready. Thank you for watching video. Please like, subscribe and press bell icon.